Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Glossybox February Beauty Box. So this is one of two box designs this month. There's this one which is a black box and there's also a white one. I think there's the same products in both boxes, I'm not too sure though, but I'm excited to see what's inside this one. We get this card inside which tells us that Glossyboxes now went paperless. So the Glossy magazine is online, so if you scan this QR code here, it'll bring up the magazine, it'll tell you all about the products and things like that. So I've scanned the QR code and it's brought up the magazine here. So basically just scroll through the magazine on the website. The first thing that we've got in this month's box is this Rituals spray. So this is a hair and body spray, yeah, and it says it's in the scent Sweet Orange and Cedar Wood, and it says it has a sparkling finish to it. So I'm going to give this a little spray. Okay, so that smells really nice. It's nice and orangey, it's quite uplifting, it's a very kind of fresh summery scent, so I quite like that. It's got little shimmery bits inside, but it's actually really nice for the body. I'm not too sure how it will look in the hair because of the shimmer, but for the body it's really nice and I like the scent of it. It's very fresh. Now this is a 20ml, which is a deluxe mini, and it's worth £5.90. The next thing we get inside I'm really happy for. It's a liquid eyeliner from Illamasqua. So let me just take it out here. That's a little eyeliner right there, and I've tried this eyeliner before and it's really nice. The tip on it is a bit thicker than my favourite eyeliner, which is from Kat Von D. So as you can see, it's a bit more of a felt tip. My favourite one to use is the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and if you can see that, this is it here, I'm actually wearing it on my eyes today. It's a bit thinner. The Kat Von D one is a bit more of a brush, and then the Illamasqua one is a little bit more of a felt tip pen, if you can see that there. It is a really nice eyeliner. I have tried it and I do like it, and it will come in really handy for me because I go through eyeliners quite quickly and they dry out quite quick as well, so you can never have too many of them. And it's a smudge proof eyeliner, which is great. I'm not sure if my Kat Von D one is smudge proof, but I think it is because I never, you know, get any smudging with the Kat Von D one or anything, so I think that one's also smudge and waterproof. This is a little mini, as you can see, and it is worth £10. Next thing we've got inside this month's box is this from Vegan by Happy Skin. This is a essence toner and it has chamomile, calendula, aloe vera juice inside. The toner is suitable for using after cleansing and with natural super ingredients that are known for skin soothing, including aloe vera juice, chamomile and calendula. This antioxidant rich formula will make your skin feel softer as well as more nourished and calm. So yeah, looking forward to using this. I like the sound of some of the ingredients in there, like I love aloe vera on my skin. This is a full size product, I believe, and this is $34.99, so that's actually really expensive. Like, I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm excited to give that a try. Next we've got this eyebrow gel from the Beauty Crop. This is their BFF Brow Friends Forever Brow Gel, and this is a bit different, this brow gel, because it says here it's a grow and groom brow gel. Basically this is going to help your brows rather than just like setting them in place. So I think, so let me just grab it out this. That's it right there. It is a clear brow gel, which is good. So it's going to be good for many different brow colours. It says here that the key ingredients in this gel are fab for the health of your brows as well as setting them in place. So castor oil contributes to your eyebrow hairs growing thicker and more luscious, while vitamin E nourishes each hair and strand to create volume. So yeah, I'm going to give this a wee try. Like, I do have brow gel on right now, but I like that it's quite a small brow brush there. So I'm just going to... Okay, that's not going to work for me right now because my brow gel is actually set in place. I have the Benefit, the Benefit 24-hour brow gel on, and yeah, they're set in place. So yeah, I can't really apply this right now. They're kind of a wee bit hard. So anyway, that is the brow gel that we get there, and I'll definitely give that a go. Yeah, I'm liking the sound of that. And this is, I think, let me just check. This is a full size, which is £5. Okay, the next thing we get inside the box is the We Are Paradox 3-in-1 conditioning hair mask. It says that this works instantly to detangle, soften and repair damaged hair, while also acting as a nourishing hair mask and a finishing cream to banish frizz and flyaways, and your hair will feel healthy, full and hydrated. Okay, so I'm looking forward to giving this a go, and again I believe this will be a full size. I will just check that. This is a deluxe size of 50ml and it is worth £10.50. Okay, so that's everything inside this month's box. There's like a couple of other pages in the online magazine which you can have a read through. The sneak peek for next month, if you're interested, is this liquid highlighter from Elikia Beauty. I'm not too sure, but that's it right there. I will leave a link to it down below in the description box for you. I also have a discount code where you can get some money off the subscription as well. I will leave that down in the description box for you as well. I just posted a video on the Look Fantastic Valentine's Day beauty box, which is so beautiful. I will leave a link to that in the description box for you as well. Like, check out my unboxing for that because there's some great products in there. I also have another unboxing coming soon as well from Look Fantastic as well. It's their mask collection, so I'll be posting that quite soon as well for you guys to see all the different types of masks that are inside that one. That is it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, please get a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.